Hello, this is Colton Elkins. This is my first semester. I am in DC Circuitry Analysis, or Engineering 120, and I am from NMSU. The purpose of this video will be to basically find the layout and test out different resistances using the DMM recorder, and to basically show how some areas on the breadboard are connected and how some aren't. Thank you. So here we have our first connection going through the resistor. Because each of the number columns are connected horizontally, or vertically I should say, from this angle, if we connect the ground and the positive, they're flowing through the resistor because they're not connected horizontally but instead vertically. When we go over here, we see that it is reading at 5.02 kiloohms. And the reason that is because we chose a resistor that has a 5.1 kilo ohm resistance. Now, if we move down to a different one, such as this one, we see that there's an overload. And the reason that is because A through E are connected, but not to F through J. So these are separated right here. So only the number columns on A through E are connected to each other, and only the number columns on F through J are connected to each other. If we move down here though, if we check out the plus and minuses, alright, we see that the plus is connected to the plus. We see that there's pretty close to no resistance. And the reason that is because while these are connected vertically in each number column, the pluses and minuses are connected horizontally. So all the pluses are connected to each other and all the minuses are connected to each other, but the pluses and minuses are not connected. We can show this as well if we go over here. Alright, so the ground is connected to a plus and the positive is connected to a minus. If we go over here, we have an overload again, because once again they are not connected. They're connected horizontally, not vertically. Okay. Now, if we move to something just like this, to better show that there is like hidden wires underneath. If we look in the letter section, we go down over here. They're both in the row 13. We get that there is essentially no resistance because of that hidden wire underneath. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I believe that is all I have for you today. Thank you. So using these measurements, we got overload here because they're connected horizontally, pluses and minuses. Here we got overload because they're not connected, because only connection vertically is through A through E and F through J separately, not together. So any letter A through E will not connect to a letter F through J, even if they're in the same row. But all of these are connected vertically up here, and all of these are connected vertically down here. The pluses and minuses are horizontally, but these can be connected through the resistor. But when we looked at the resistor and we plugged that in, we saw that this had a resistance of 5 kilo ohms. And down here we saw that because they're connected horizontally, there was no resistance. So the purpose of this video was to show how the board layout is for breadboards, and to show the different types of resistances that happen. So you essentially have overload when they're not connected, zero when they're connected with no obstructions or resistors, and depending on the resistor, you'll have a certain resistance in between. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and have a good day. Bye for now.